Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Brainbolt game. To begin, simply press the large center button to power on the device and start a new round. Watch carefully as the lights flash in a specific order. Your goal is to memorize this pattern. Once the sequence finishes, it's your turn to replicate it by pressing the correct colored buttons in the exact same order. Pay close attention to each flash. As you successfully complete each sequence, the game automatically increases the challenge. It adds one more light to the pattern, making it progressively longer and more complex. The speed at which the lights flash also increases, demanding quicker recall. Remember, precision is key. Even one incorrect button press will immediately end your current game, so stay focused. Brainbolt also offers an exciting two-player mode for competitive fun. To activate it, press the center button twice quickly at the start. In this mode, you and a friend take turns repeating the growing sequence. One player completes the pattern, then passes the device to the next. The pressure builds as the sequence lengthens, and the first player to make an error is out of the round. It's a great way to test your memory against others. To achieve high scores in Brainbolt, try these helpful tips. First, concentrate fully on the exact position of each light as it flashes, not just its color. Some players find it useful to quietly say the colors aloud as they appear, reinforcing the pattern. Regular practice is essential. The more you play, the better your short-term memory and reaction time will become. Enjoy the challenge and have fun improving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.